magkabilaan. Come on, got this three! Mangalindan, short knock, one down for DCT. Mangalindan, bullet pass. What a nice one! Makakabol, Kamaklang, what a move! 32. Mikaso rebound, up ahead, nice pass. Double racetrack winner. 35. Ayun, Arcelia Dino Mangalindan. Nice alley-oop, eye in the sky. Double to beat the shot back. Yes, three. Nice pass, oh, naman. Yun ang play. Double. Naman, what a move. Ahead to Arcelia. Arcelia attacking the defense. Off the glass. Traveling. Kayangan sa downtown. Short, rebound, Duka. Another easy shot. Hindi na may convert. Fading away. That is not for rebound. 5 seconds. Kamaklang. Kamaklang. Atake. Easy. Yes. Yes. Kick out. Tabang. Free. Simuna. Masyadong maraming nakapula. Naka-purple. Yup, bags it. Hindi pa nakakalaman itong Hoopers. Duka, drop pass. Nice one underneath. Fakes it. Kalisa attacking. Good defense. Yup, put back off the glass. Dito mo na steal. Naku, ang daming naka-purple. Mangalindan, wala nang nagawa yung defense na doon. Negative turnovers. Mangalindan, nice pass. Si Kanko. Si Lugo, wala. Another one, yes. Timeout. Against one, Mangalindan. Humiwalay. Nice pass to Bill. Yup. Yup. Fading away is good. Kamaklang. No. Put back. Wala pa rin. Serrano fades away. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Kamaklang. Kamaklang. Put back. Yes. Short. Offensive rebound. Double. Put back is good. 30. Kamaklang fires. No. Nicasio gets that. Kamaklang rebound. Pagkakataon lang naman ng Hoopers. Ang taas ng pasa. Going to the pool. Sakto lang pinalik. Yes. And that's the first. What's it called? Reading at 12. Pinato ni Kamaklang. 3. Mangalindan. Nice pass going to si Kanko. Nangaliwa pa. Shot clock reads at 10. De Los Santo. Yeah. De Los Santo, wala. Naramo, put back. Yes, that was good. Okay, okay. 48-44. That's a 3. Romsey win the steal. Binato, sakto ba? Yes. Touchdown. Bill. Timeout. Mahina naman. Naku, Claramo, binigay sa kalaban. Ayun. Si Kanko, easy. Duka, rebound, Beto kay Mangalindan. Ay naman! Yan ang hinahanap natin. Oh, crossing over, Claramo, quick shot. Yan na naman, Mr. Claramo. Hindi na madali mga tira, but... Mangalindan. 3! Talas nun from Mangalindan. Mangalindan, Pinoy step. Easy basket. Mangalindan, crossover, Luzon, floater, that is good from Mangalindan. Hey! That's a floater. Heel. There comes Hoopers. De Los Santo. Ilagpasan si Mr. Religio. Tapang. 3. Tingol will attack. Libre yan. Naku, short. Put back, yes, by number 23 and get their first twin. Tapang runner, that is good again. Mahina, Kamaklang. And that's Kamaklang now. Easy layup. He got good. A one-on-one. Alipio. The spin. Ayun, nakuha rin ni Alipio. Up ahead is Kamaklang. Yes, good layup. Timeout. De Los Santo will attack. Good attack by the big man. Duka, Takes the three anyway. Short. Magalindan. Put back. Easy. The spin. Turnaround jumper. Up the glass is good. Huli. Makamaklang for the steal. Kamaklang will attack. Gets the basket. No. Kamaklang rebound. 44 seconds. Kamaklang. Yes. Good steal. De Los Santos. Kamaklang. Will attack. Kamaklang. Yes. Lead down to 6. Kamaklang. Uy naman. Put back. Yes, is good. Now fires. 3. Kamaklang. 3. 1.3. Ako, yun lang. Nabitawan yung depensa. Easy basket.